Hey guys, Sujal this side from Branding Infinity, and today we're going to show you exactly how you can create your own website absolutely free and in under 10 minutes. So, if you would like to save some money and time, just keep watching. Now, the first thing that you need is, of course, a domain name. So, to get one for free, just go to freenom.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, once it loads up, you will need to either sign in or create an account. I'm just gonna use Google to sign in, and once you've signed in, you need to go to services and click on register a new domain, right? Again, once it loads up, you just need to type in the domain that you like. For now, I'm just going to go with my brand name, Branding Infinity, and from this screen you can choose any of the options. It really doesn't matter since it's not a .com or a .in domain, so it hardly matters whichever you choose. Now, once you have chosen the domain that you would like, just hit on checkout button, and from this screen, the first thing you should do is actually to change the duration for which you would like the domain to be. Do that, and now click on the use DNS option and choose the option for custom DNS. It's blank right now, so let be for now and we'll fill it up later. Now for the hosting, the first thing you need to do is to open a new tab and go to infinityfree.net. Again, I'll leave the link below in the description. So once it loads up, again you'll have to sign in or create an account to their service. I'll just sign up in a moment, and once you sign up, you will be asked to confirm your account. So pretty standard. Go to your email, go to your inbox rather, and open their email, hit confirm. Now as soon as you hit confirm, a new tab should open with a big create account button somewhere in there. Click that, and now enter the domain that you previously selected. So in our case, brandinginfinity.cf. Now, do you see those name servers below? Go to the freenom tab that we left and enter those. So ns1 and ns2, just copy and paste them and hit continue. And as you will see, your total should now be $0. That's good. It should not be any other amount. Now put in your personal or business details, whatever you prefer, and once it's done, you should have a blue button that could take you to your dashboard. So click on that, and now click on the manage domains option. Right, once it opens, go to the management tools and select name servers. Again, now you'll see that the two name servers that you previously entered, they are still there, but the three boxes are still blank. So all you need to do is copy paste them again and change it to ns3, ns4 and ns5 and save the changes. That's it for your domain settings. Now go back to the Infinity Free tab that we left open and hit on create account, and once it's created, just click on the button and you'll see that the account is still being set up, and it might take up to 10 minutes, 5 minutes depending on the servers. But while you're waiting, you can do one thing. You can give us a like, you can subscribe to our channel for more awesome content, and once it's done, you can just refresh your page and you'll see that the status would change to active. Now click on the control panel button. This is where all the tools are. Right now we'll just focus on one. So scroll down and find Softaculous installer, click on it and hit on the install WordPress button. Now from this screen you will see that your domain is already selected, and for the directory you can either edit it or remove it completely. I'll just choose to remove it, and from then you will have to choose a name and description for your website. This is what will appear in the title bar and at a few other places on the website, but you can easily modify it later from the WordPress settings. Now you need to choose your username and your password, and of course you'll use it to log into your website. And after that you need to enter a valid email ID, because you might ever lose your password or forget it. You can recover it using this email. After that, finally, if you wish, you can select a theme or you can leave it as default for the default WordPress theme. I'm gonna choose one, why not? Anyway, so hit install, and the process should not take more than a few seconds, if not more than a minute. So once it is done, you'll see that you have a couple of links. So one is directly to your website and the other one is to your dashboard panel. And also our theme did not install. I just noticed that. Anyway, what we're going to do is that we're going to click on the dashboard link. So click on that and you should be logged in automatically. If not, then you can use the WordPress username and password that you just created in the previous step and log in using that. And once you're successfully logged in, it basically means that your website has been created using WordPress. And as you can see, we are running the default theme since ours failed to install. But let's just see what the website right now looks like. Of course, right now it looks very basic, very plain, but the good thing about WordPress is that you can use the millions of themes and plugins that are available and make the website look like however you want it to look like, if that makes sense. Anyway, the good thing about this is that you can feel free to experiment and see what works for you, get a grip of WordPress, make your mistakes, get into errors and correct them. And once you have a good grip of it, you can move on to more expensive options for both domain names and for hosting needs. But for now, for students or for freelancers who are just starting out, I think this is a very good way to get a taste of WordPress without spending any money or without any investment. And finally, if you like this video, please leave us a like and also check our video on how you can get free hosting and $300 in free credit from Google for 1 year. And finally, subscribe to our channel for more videos and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.